friends and family. Welcome to another edition of the Pretend Cooking Show. I'm the Almond Girl Styles, and today we are going to be celebrating the first week of fall. As you know, yesterday kicked off the first day of fall, and while we had a rainy day here in Houston, we are going to celebrate it with a fall-inspired cocktail. So today we are making what I'm calling a apple cider smash. And the best part about this is it's going to be completely frozen because I live in Texas, and as you know, the weather here is completely bipolar. So this is going to give me all of the fall flavors without the heat, because Lord knows we don't need any more heat here in Texas. So let me go over the ingredients with you guys first. So I'm using a spiced rum. Now you can absolutely, I'm going to show you the spiced rum. Ta-da! So you can use bourbon or whiskey for this recipe. I just have spiced rum on hand, so that is what I'm going to be using. And then the star of the show, which is my apple cider. You can find this readily available at your grocery store or at Target, wherever you want to find it. And then I'm also using a chai tea concentrate. So this is going to give me all the spice flavor mixed with that apple cider. It is going to be completely delicious. And of course, ice. Now, quick tidbit, you can go ahead and freeze your apple cider in the fridge or in the freezer if you want, to avoid having to add ice on top of the cocktail. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go with straight liquid and ice and mix it all up in the blender, and it is going to be delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 2 cups of apple cider. I'm sure this is a lot, but it's okay. That's me. That's what I'm gonna do. And you're just gonna go ahead and pretty much everything in this recipe is just dump it in a blender, turn it on until it looks like a slushy. So here we go with this. So we're gonna go in with the 2 cups of apple cider. Please make sure it doesn't slosh everywhere like I did. But if it does, that's okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and go in with 1 cup of rum. That's 1 cup of rum. Feel free to go ham on it if you want to. And then we're gonna go in with the chai tea. We're gonna go ahead and go in with 3/4 of a cup of chai tea concentrate. And now we have our 3/4 of a cup of chai tea, and we're just gonna go ahead and pour it in. And then we're gonna add a little bit of soda water just so it's a little bit of carbonation. And I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball this. I'm gonna go in with 1/2 cup. And then I'm gonna go in with a splash of lemon juice. I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball it, because what's more fun than eyeballing lemon juice? Okay, so this looks to the correct slush consistency that I want it to be. Okay, if it does kind of froth over or fill up your blender a little too much, just be creative, scoop out the ice, and then go ahead and continue with your pour. I felt like my pour was gonna be a little too messy, which I feel like it's gonna still be a little too messy now. But there it is. There is our beautiful cocktail for the evening. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a nice little Honeycrisp apple slice, and there's your cocktail. So good, so refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Pretend Cooking Show with the Almond Girl Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. sorry. The way that it's just sloshing.